Common areas are cleaned on a daily basis. The housekeeping team disinfects high-touch areas like buttons in the elevator. Here is the apartment before our team performs the scheduled bi-weekly cleaning. At all GEC properties, commercial-grade cleaning supplies and equipment are used. Our housekeeping team has over 15 years of professional experience. They work with our operations team to ensure all the protocols are followed based on industry standards. Bi-weekly cleaning may take 30 to 60 minutes. As you can see, all common areas including your living room, bathroom, and kitchen are clean and shiny.